So what you doing, Felix?
Cutting back the plaster so it can be a nice clean corner because it was sticking, the old plaster was sticking out a little far.
All right, so we're drywalling it up, huh?
Yep, loading it up.
All right, you see that mud right there? That's that good drywall mud. Yeah. Getting them corner beads all hooked up. All right, we're drywalling it up. All right, today we put what you call red guard over the hardy board in the bathroom. The reason why we do that is like a membrane. Water protection. All right, it looks like it's pink, right? But you need that in your showers. And that's your soap dish and your cubby hose for your shampoo. And then we're gonna be putting tile on the wall. All right, see you later, Felix. All right. This is the second master bedroom. We have 2 master bedrooms in this house. We have 4 bedrooms with a bonus room. All right, that's gonna be your toilet right there. Got the corner beads being hooked up. And here's your towel that's gonna go on the bathroom wall. Here's another bathroom right here. Here's your towel that's gonna go on the cubby hole for your soap dish. All right, this is gonna go on the soap dish, and this is gonna go on the wall. All right, RadfordHomes, baby, West Side, Bartow. You know what it is. My home turf. Born and raised, baby. Flipping these houses, Polk County. Drywall. We're drywalling everything up. New windows, everything new over here. Drywall work around the windows, smoothing it out. You have to do that like 5 or 6 times on different days because it has to dry. So they're going through the whole house, drywalling the whole house up, mudding and taping it. They're mudding and taping the drywall. And it may take them another 4 or 5 days to complete this. All these wires that's hanging out the ceiling, that's where your flat LED lights are gonna go. Remember, this is an open concept now. We used to have a block wall right here. You can see where the block were, where I'm standing. This used to be block right here. This was the exterior wall of the house. We knocked that wall down and we put up what you call a LVL beam. That's a laminated veneer lumber beam It's 24 feet, it was 26 feet long. And it sits on the pier right here that's poured with rebar and concrete. And it gives you what you call the open concept. If we didn't have that, we wouldn't have the open concept. Nobody likes compartmentalized houses anymore. It's 2021, so they want everything to be open. So, as they say, 40 is the new 30. That's kind of what we're doing here. All right, we're making things happen over here. If you need my services, just give me a call. You can reach me right here. You can reach me at 931-241-9714. We buy houses, cash money. Anything under $250,000, give us a call. This right here used to be a carport. We changed this carport into living area. So now you can come into your family room or your TV room, whatever you want to call it. We also put French doors. We stuccoed the outside of the house. The whole outside of the house has been stuccoed. It never was stucco, it was just block. We have a laundry room right here. This is a laundry room. We're mudding and taping the laundry room as well. Remember, folks, this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. And then that right there is your bonus room. That's you can call it a man cave. You can call it a shed. You can call it an office. We wired it up with cable and coax 5. So you can put your home office in here. Put new door, new soffit, new fascia, new roof. The whole 9 yards. All right, new soffits going all the way around, brand new door. We have a new window. We're drywalling the whole thing up. New electrical. It's a nice size room. As you can see, he's putting drywall. He's hooking up the drywall. All right, we're gonna have luxury vinyl plank flooring in here. New roof. New stucco. Very large gable. New electrical panel. All new plumbing. Sewer lines are brand new, as well as water lines. All new windows with bands around every window. Brand new remodeled front porch. We raised it up, gave it a facelift. Brand new front doors. Salute all veterans.